Spine straight. Adopt chin mudra. Eyes closed. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for 3 times Om, followed by opening mantra. Om. 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 योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्तं प्रवरं मुनीनाम् पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि। ओ join your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palms. Apply an eyes. Slowly and gently while blinking, open your eyes. Om Shanti. Bali Yoga School.
Hello.
Namaste. Om Shanti.
Namaste.
Why are you late?
I was on the toilet. I'm sorry.
Okay. You are 10 minutes late.
I know. I'm here. Let's start.
So our today's topic is types of synovial joint. Write down types of synovial joint. Yesterday we learned joints and its types. Am I correct?
Yes.
So write down. There are 6 types of synovial joint. There are 6 types of synovial joint. The first one is hinge joint, Hinge, hinge joint. The second is pivot joint, Pivot, pivot joint. Third is ellipsoid joint, Ellipsoid, Ellipsoid, ellipsoid joint. The fourth one is saddle joint, Saddle, saddle joint. The fifth one is gliding joint, Gliding, gliding joint. Ball and socket joint. Ball and socket joint, BALL and SOCKET, socket joint, JYNT. Ball and socket joint. Write down the first one. Hinge joint. Hinge joints allows movement. Hinge joints allows movement primarily
Can you repeat everything? Because your connection was off. I'm sorry.
yeah. Hinge joints allows movement primarily in one plane. It is monoaxial joint. It is monoaxial joint. Clear? Bali
Yeah.
yoga school. Okay.
Yes, clear. Thank you very much.
The bones fit together. The bones fit together perfectly. The bones fit together perfectly. One concave and another convex. One concave and another convex. Examples: knee joint, elbow joint, and interphalangeal joints. Interphalangeal joints, INTER PHALANGEAL, PHALANGEAL, interphalangeal joints. Where is interphalangeal joint?
In fingers and toes?
Yeah, in fingers and toes. The joints between phalanges, known as interphalangeal joints. The diagram is this diagram visible? This is the diagram of hinge joint. Bali Yoga School.
Yes, please.
Is this diagram visible?
Yes, visible.
Yeah. So this is the diagram of hinge joint, like door hinge.
What did you say?
This is the diagram of hinge joint.
Okay.
You can draw this diagram. Can we move further?
Yes,
I'm
please.
ready.
Next joint is pivot joint. PIVOT. Pivot joint. In this joint, write down. In this joint, the rounded bone fits into shallow depression, SHALLOW, shallow depression in another bone. In this joint, the rounded bone fits into shallow depression in another bone one bone rotates around another, one bone rotates around another within a concave ring within a concave ring in the second bone, found in the second In this joint, the rounded bone hits into shallow depression in बाली योगा स्कूल.
Yes, please. Welcome
Clear?
back.
Yeah.
No, I didn't hear you anymore. You were not there.
Till where you hear? In this joint, the rounded bone, you write down pivot joint.
Can you repeat the question, please?
Write down pivot joint.
Oh, okay.
In this joint, the rounded bone hits into shallow depression in another bone. One bone rotates around another. One bone rotates around another within a concave ring. Within a concave ring, formed in the second bone. Formed in the second bone. This ring is lined. This ring is lined, L-I-N-E-D, with a ligament. With a ligament to make the movement smooth. To make the movement smooth. Example, atlantoaxial joint. Example, atlantoaxial joint.
Which joint?
Atlantoaxial joint. A-T-L-A-N-T-O. A-T-L-A-N-T-O. Atlantoaxial. A-X-I-A-L. Atlantoaxial joint. Clear? The third joint is ellipsoid joint. E-double-L-I-P-S-O-I-D. E-double-L-I-P-S-O-I-D. Ellipsoid joint. ellipsoid movement in two planes, ellipsoid movement in two planes, it provides back and forth and side to side movement. It provides back and forth, BACK, back and forth, FORTH, and side to side movement, side to side movement. In this joint, an oval shaped condyle, in this joint, an oval shaped condyle hits an oval shaped condyle of one bone fits into an ellipsoid cavity, fits into an ellipsoid cavity in another bone, fits into an ellipsoid cavity in another bone. Example, metatarsophalangeal joint, metatarsophalangeal joint, METATARSO, metatarsophalangeal joint, PHALANGEAL, metatarsophalangeal joint. Second one, metacarpophalangeal joint, METACARPO, metacarpophalangeal joint, PHALANGEAL, phalangeal joint. And third example is radiocarpal joint, RADIO, radiocarpal joint, CARPAL. Where is metatarso joint, metatarsophalangeal joint? Bali Yoga School.
Your ankle.
Metatarsophalangeal.
Yeah, your ankle on your foot,
No.
on your wrist.
The joint between foot bones and toe bones.
Foot bone and what?
Toe bones.
Between foot and toes?
Yeah. Metatarsal is foot bones. And phalanges are toe. So metatarsophalangeal joints are the joint between foot bones and toe bones. Same metacarpophalangeal. This is metacarpals and these are phalanges. So these joints are metacarpophalangeal joints. Okay. Our
Okay.
knuckle. Where is radiocarpal joint?
That's the wristband.
Between
Between.
radius zone and radius bone and carpal. Radius bone and carpal here. This one. Okay.
Yes.
Next joint is saddle joint. SADDLE, saddle joint. Saddle joints are similar to condyle joints. Saddle joints are similar to condyle joints. CONDYLE, similar to condyle joints. Condyle joint, that is ellipsoid joint. Saddle joints are similar to condyle joint, but the connecting bones are shaped. Connecting bones are shaped more like interlocking saddles, but the connecting bones are shaped more like interlocking saddles. This allows for a greater range of motion than hinge joints. This allows a greater range of motion than hinge joint. But does not allow complete rotation, does not allow complete rotation like ball and socket joint. But does not allow complete rotation like ball and socket joint. The example of saddle joint is carpometacarpal joint of the thumb. Carpo metacarpal joint of the thumb. CARPO, carpo metacarpal, METACAPRAL, carpal joint, JOINT of the thumb. Where is this joint? Carpo metacarpal joint of thumb.
Maybe on the base, below the thumb.
Yeah, at the base below the thumb. Here. This one. This joint. Carpo metacarpal joint of thumb. Okay. This is the example of saddle joint. The next joint is gliding joint. Next joint is gliding joint. Gliding joint. In this joint, the articular surface of a gliding joint, in this joint, the articular surfaces are usually flat. The articular surfaces are usually flat, FLAT. In this joint, the articular surfaces are usually flat, FLAT. And they permits only back and forth, and they permits only back and forth and side to side movement, and side to side movement. No rotation or twisting is possible. No rotation or twisting is possible because the bones are packed closely together. Because the bones are packed closely together. Bones are packed closely together. Example, intercarpal and intertarsal joints. Intercarpal and intertarsal joint. Next example, sternoclavicular joint. STERNO, sternoclavicular joint. And acromioclavicular joint. ACROMIO, acromioclavicular joint. CLAVICULAR, clavicular joint. Acromioclavicular joint. Clear? Bali Yoga School.
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay. So you have next class, alignment class.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So we left one last joint, ball and socket joint, that we will take tomorrow's class. Ball and
Yeah.
socket we will take in tomorrow's class.
Is it the same like this acromioclavicular joints in bone and socket joint?
Acromioclavicular joint is the example of gliding joint. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. So sit in any comfortable position for closing the session. Inhale deeply for one time. Om Shri Shanti together. Oh. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Join your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palms. Apply an eyes. Slowly and gently while blinking, open your eyes. Om Shanti. Thank you for joining the class.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.